So this is a really common anti-nuclear meme here that we're going to run out of uranium. And that is just ridiculously not true. Imagine this. Imagine somebody were to say to you, we have to quit doing electronics because we're going to run out of tin. There's not enough tin to supply all of our needs for electronics. And the reason why that's ridiculous is because there is enough tin, and we have plenty of tin. And when it comes to uranium, uranium is actually more abundant in the Earth's crust than tin. Yeah, think about that. How are we going to run out of uranium when we only need a tiny little bit to produce an enormous amount of energy? It's completely antithetical to what's actually true. It's, again, just like most anti-nuclear memes, it's founded in some kind of an argument that has some nugget of truth that's really just overtly giving the wrong message. For example, with modern technology, there's a certain cost per pound to make refined uranium. And a long time ago, that cost per uranium had a certain number of uranium enrichments that were affordable. And so if you're talking about affordability at the current price using the current technology, then you can say there are only so many deposits that will give us the yield that we're looking for commercial nuclear. And the truth is that even with the stymied progress in nuclear science and technology research, there's already been, just from the little tricks and ebbs and flows of research that's been going on, there's research that now shows that you can extract uranium from the ocean that's naturally put there just by erosion off of the mountains, just what's naturally eroded off the mountains and replaced by plate tectonics, that you can use that uranium in the ocean at about the same price point as current mining. So you don't even need to dig a hole anymore. And so that technically is renewable, just like geothermal. That's where most geothermal energy comes from, is from the radioactive decay of uranium and thorium in the primordials. And so those things have half-lives. Uranium has a half-life about the age of the Earth, and thorium has a half-life about the age of the universe. That stuff's going to be around after the sun goes red giant and the planet becomes a cinder. So the stuff's around, and it's plentiful. And with the ability to passively extract it from the ocean, that would supply 9 times the annual electrical energy needs of the United States alone. But that's all of the uranium that's just naturally being dumped into the ocean from erosion and plated out on the bottom of the ocean. So something to think about. These anti-nuclear memes, they're very common, and the vast majority of them are simply founded on a desire to make nuclear evil. That's just my opinion anyway, based on the what's actually true versus what's actually stated. So something to think about. Thanks for watching. Bye.